Hello everyone, in this video I am going to review an app named Cutcut editor. This is a background editor. You can remove your background easily. This is very simple and very powerful tool for editors. You can easily and intelligently remove background from this application, add filters, you can add emojis, add text and whatever you want. In short, all in one features in only one application, and this is very easy to use. For full review of this application, watch my full video, hit like and subscribe button. Let's select one application from my gallery. I've selected this photo from my gallery. Look at that. This application will intelligently remove your background easily. After removing your background, look at that options, features. Let's select this background. You can adjust, crop, change colors, filters, style. This application got too many backgrounds and options built in. If you are an editor, you can download directly this application from my description below. I am editing this photo, but you can choose whatever you want. You got trending section in it, romantic section in it. You can easily edit your photo, scenes section in it. Edit like pro, edit like whatever you want. Art section in it, built in. Festival option. If you install this application, you will follow trend or trend will follow you. All options, all features are free and very easy to use. I'm editing. Okay, this is option of filters. You can add filters. It takes some time. It changed background entirely. Okay, we're selecting background. If you don't like any background, you can personally select another background. If you have a background in your gallery, you can use that background and edit background or foreground. I'm editing background. You got this all features for free, also in background, also in foreground. I am editing background. Look at that. All filters. You can choose color styles, filter, edit, whatever you want. There are all options. This is effects. Okay, I am doing with this. I am editing a sample for you. This is option of, you can add stickers, text for background of your photo. You can add emojis, love stickers, nature stickers. Okay, I'm adding this parrot. Words, you can download words, style, food, cartoon, festivals. Too many options. You can add texts. I'm looking, it's loading. Morning. You can make WhatsApp status. I think this is a WhatsApp status feature. When you wake up in the morning, it says good morning text, good night text, good evening text. Okay, I'm adding this text. Okay. You can edit your all pictures with background or foreground very easily. This is very easy to use. Application is very easy to use. I've said that all in one applications in one app, all in one features in one app. So we're going to that way. No need to install multiple software in your phone. Just install this application and this application will solve all your problems. This is very good application for editors. You can adjust brightness, adjust contrast, you can adjust sharpening and everything, hue, color adjustment, color burn, you can rotate, you can add text, you can add filters. I'm selecting this filter for showing you. I personally use this application and I will definitely recommend this application for you. This is very good application. It save your time. Look at that. You can edit your photo like whatever you want. This is all features of this application. You can cut out, you can easily go to CutCut application, remove background, remove foreground, blur, you can blur your photo, you can draw, I am blurring this. Look at that. Linear blur, circular blur. You have all options in one application, all features in one application. In short, all in one application. This is very useful. This is very easy. This is very advanced application on entire Play Store. And I will definitely recommend you to download this application from my description below. And I hope you like my video. Please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And for directly download this application, you can check my description below.